they were going to hold him over for open heart surgery.
Oh boy.
But I forgot to ask Gary what he was going to find out. We had lunch today, and he was going to find out because they texted him while we were having lunch, and then he was going to find out later what they were going to do. I forgot to ask him.
Yeah, that gets to be kind of serious, but
I think he already has a couple of steps.
yeah, if you're lucky and have good health, it's really a big deal.
Not so they're dice at this point. 4 degrees.
Yeah, it feels a little cooler up here right now.
With the
The
wind.
wind is blowing.
I don't have my full face mask. Shit's a whistle.
Yeah, we're supposed to have a snowstorm tomorrow, sounds like.
Is that right?
Yeah, late in the day, I guess.
I checked with the girls at the food counter.
Yeah.
Checked their schedule and shit because I couldn't see. I looked on the website and it had conflicting kind of information, at least that's the way I read it. But they said Thursday, Friday on their schedule and he was supporting.
Well, it all depends on